Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Mains economic question. See, the main motive behind this session is how to approach the upcoming mains exam and also how you have to prepare for the mains exam. When it comes to the preparation part, so consider that you are new to the UPSC mains. First, you have to prepare about the mains topic. And then only after certain time period of December or January, you have to cover the prelims topic. So in this scenario, when it comes to mains, it is first of all the thing is there is no borderline between the mains and prelims. So it is more or less it's similar one, but when it comes to mains you will know certain things logically. So that is the best part of preparing for a mains first. Afterwards, you are moving to the prelims. Because when it comes to mains, you know why it is happening, why we are doing this, and how it is going to end. Everything you know. So by the way, if you are going to prepare for a mains, preparing mains and then moving to the prelims means that is the good one. Easily cover the prelims topic when you are ready with the mains topic. So it is. You are covering around 50 to 60% of the mains topic means that itself more than enough to clear your prelims, because afterwards only you are going to prepare for a prelims. It will be more easy to cover major topics related to the prelims topic. So preparation in the mains part is more important for a prelims clearing. But most of the students, what they will do is they will go on for a 1 year preparation towards the prelims. Even though using that also they can't clear the exam. The reason is they don't know why it is happening. And also present day prelims questions are more of like logical one. For example, what is the issue of the MSB? That may be the question of the prelims also. They may give the four or five statements and they have to find out the correct statements. So these are the possible questions they may ask, and also there are more questions like that only. When it comes to the prelims, there are more of logical questions than the factual questions. So this is how the shift is happening in this prelims exam and also in the mains exam. So it is best and better to cover the first mains topic earlier, afterwards moving to the prelims topic. So that is the good thing you have to do. Okay, when it comes to mains, how I have to prepare, sir? That is the most of the aspirants doubt. When it comes to the prelims, when it comes to mains, first of all, you have to be more thorough with the syllabus part. For example, in syllabus, it is saying that climate change means you have to ready with certain template things related to the climate change. For example, what are the organizations related to climate change? UNFCCC, UNCDC, combat and desertification, and also United Nations Convention on Biodiversity. So all these things came into the picture after the Rio Summit in 1992. And also you have to know about India's commitment towards the climate change. India have the thing called as INDC, Intended National Determined Contribution. By that, India has made a lot of commitments, like we will create 1/3 of the land with forest. Now we are in the path to achieve it. And also we said that we will reduce the emission intensity 33 to 35%. So these are certain commitments where India made. So you have to know about that things. That is the more important thing. So like that, you have to ready with certain template things about what is climate change and what are the organizations are there, and also current event related to the climate change. For example, Antarctica is going green. So there are a lot of greenish things are emerged in the Antarctic region due to the climate change. So these are the things you need to be updated related to the specific topics. And also, for example, there is a term called as women empowerment in the Indian society. So you need to know about the women empowerment related things, like in political level, political aspect, how much women are empowered, how much percentage of women are in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and also all over the states. And also, when it comes to the third level of the government, we implemented 33%. Why it is not possible in the parliament level? So these are the things you have to prepare. It is not only about the social perspective, you have to be ready with the political perspective, even in the private organization. And also, what are the measures the government took for overcoming these issues of inequalities in the workplace? They created a C box, prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. So these are the certain measures done by the government. So like that, you have to be prepared with 360 degree ideas of that certain terms. For example, climate change, women empowerment, whatever it is. So you have to be ready with all these things. By the way, you can easily answer any question with all these data. And also, these things will help you in the prelims also, based on the data. So for example, India's emission intensity reduction is 33 to 35%. That may be in the statements of any prelims question. So by the way, you have to be prepared for a mains. That will help you to clear the prelims exam. So when it comes to the preparation of UPSC, first you have to be more thorough with the syllabus, and also you start with the mains and end with the prelims, and then you have to go for the exam. This is the easy way to clear this exam. Why we are facing continuous loss or failure when you are going to appearing for a prelims is the reason is you are just mug upping certain things without knowing what is what, why it is happening. That is the major issue. So if you want to address that thing, you have to be more prepared with the mains part. If you are more thorough with the mains topics, means that will easily help you to clear the prelim subjects, prelims part. So that is the important thing about the mains. Here what we will do is we will share the important data related to that concept. For example, micro irrigation means what it is, and also about renewable energy means what is the India's target, whether India can achieve that target or not, and also what are the measures done by the government. So all these things will be discussed here. That will be very, very useful for your mains exam and also for a prelims exam. So please take note of it.